we're back with another video, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the iPad 8th generation. Yes, me and my sister saved up for this for a very long time. Like, we saved up a lot of money. So yeah, I bought this in space gray with 128 gigs. So yeah. Oh my god, let me open this. Oh my god. So here's the iPad. Look at it. It's in space gray, like I said. And look at this, the instruction manual, I think. And here's the adapter. I haven't opened it yet. And the cable. So guys, look at this. This is amazing. Let me just take this out. This is the manual. Or yeah, I think it's the manual. Yeah. Yeah, this too. We got this too. And this as well. I think these are instructions or something. And is this it? Or have we? Oh yeah, the Apple stickers. I'll probably be sticking them somewhere. So the moment of truth, I will be switching this on. So let's switch this on, and so it's just the Apple logo. Oh my god, I've never been so excited to see the Apple logo. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's going to switch on. It's going to switch on. Okay, hello. We start and we'll fill all this information and get back to you. So guys, I'm done setting up the settings, and look at this, man. Look at this. You have all the apps that it gives you. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. This is so exciting. Let me see the App Store because... Okay, continue, yeah. Because literally the App Store... Oh my god, this App Store is so new to me. And the game of the day is Pokemon Go. How nice. Look over there. The game of the day. Wow, this is amazing.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to see my previous video, click on the left. And if you want to see another video, click on the right. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.